Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to dive into the mesmerizing fashion choices of the Bollywood star and fashion icon, Kanika Mann. Kanika's style is always on point. So, let's take a closer look at some of her most unforgettable fashion moments. The first thing that catches our eye is Kanika's beach outfit inspiration. From flowy sundresses to stylish swimsuits, she knows how to balance comfort and elegance. Accessorizing plays a crucial role in completing any beach look, and she nails it every time. From wide-brimmed hats and trendy sunglasses to statement beach totes, she knows how to add that perfect touch of beach vibes to her ensemble. Besides her fashionable outfits, the actress' beach hairstyles are always on point. Whether it's loose beach waves, a messy bun, or a chic braid, she effortlessly elevates her look with the right hairstyle. Kanika's footwear choices are both stylish and practical. She's often seen wearing comfortable sandals or trendy flip-flops that go perfectly with her beach outfits. When it comes to makeup, she keeps it light and fresh for the beach. Her sun-kissed glow and minimal makeup perfectly complement her beachy looks, making her a true beach beauty. For those times when she wants a little extra coverage or a touch of bohemian flair, Kanika opts for stylish cover-ups and kimonos. These pieces effortlessly transform her beach look from day to evening. The actress might be captured in a variety of beachwear, such as stylish swimsuits, bikinis, or trendy monocones, reflecting her confidence and fashion-forwardness. To add a touch of elegance and versatility to her beach looks, she might wear chic cover-ups like sheer kimonos, beach dresses, or sarongs. Kanika could be photographed in flowy and lightweight maxi dresses, showcasing her effortless and bohemian beach style. She might accessorize her beach outfits with stylish straw hats and oversized sunglasses, providing both protection from the sun and a fashionable touch. Kanika Mann's beach photo shoot could feature beachy hairstyles like tousled waves, braided styles, or effortless updos, perfect for a day by the sea. For a beach photo shoot, she would likely wear minimal and natural makeup, emphasizing her radiant complexion and beach-ready glow. Her playful and carefree personality could shine through in the photos, capturing candid and joyful moments on the beach. The actress might elegantly pose barefoot in the sand, embracing the relaxed and carefree vibe of a beach photo shoot. Kanika often graces the red carpet in stunning designer gowns that showcase her impeccable taste and sense of style. She embraces glamorous outfits with intricate embellishments, such as sequins, crystals, or beadwork, adding a touch of opulence to her looks. The actress occasionally opts for outfits with plunging necklines, adding a hint of allure and confidence to her glamorous choices. She is not afraid to experiment with bold and vibrant colors or eye-catching prints, ensuring she stands out at glamorous events. To elevate her glamorous looks, she pairs her outfits with exquisite and eye-catching statement jewelry, accentuating her elegance. She occasionally styles her hair in classic updos or flowing waves, complementing her glamorous appearance. Kanika confidently wears high heels that not only add height but also enhance her overall glamorous silhouette. Her confident posture and graceful demeanor enhance the allure of her glamorous choices, making her presence captivating at any event. When it comes to chic fashion, Kanika Mann knows how to make heads turn. Whether she's attending red carpet events or fashion shows, she always manages to look elegant and sophisticated. She often opts for timeless silhouettes, bold colors, and intricate details, which perfectly complement her radiant personality. From flowing evening gowns to figure-hugging cocktail dresses, she never fails to impress with her sartorial choices. In her casual chic looks, the actress effortlessly blends comfort with style. She's frequently seen in well-fitted blazers, tailored pantsuits, and accessories that add a touch of sophistication to her everyday outfits. Kanika's casual fashion choices are equally captivating. She embraces a mix of laid-back and trendy pieces, showcasing her ability to stay effortlessly stylish in her day-to-day life. One of Kanika's go-to staples is denim. Whether it's a classic pair of jeans or a denim jacket, she effortlessly elevates her casual look with this versatile fabric. She love for bohemian-inspired dresses and floral prints adds a touch of whimsy to her style. She's often spotted in flowy maxi dresses and comfortable athleisure wear, which perfectly complement her free-spirited vibe. Kanika's playful side shines through in her casual streetwear looks. She effortlessly rocks graphic tees, crop tops, and cool sneakers, proving that comfort and style can go hand in hand. From chic evening gowns to casual streetwear, Kanika Mann's fashion choices are truly inspiring. Her ability to adapt her style to any occasion is a testament to her fashion prowess and versatility. One of the aspects that make the actress' fashion choices truly unique is her ability to seamlessly blend different styles. She often experiments with fusion fashion, combining traditional elements with contemporary trends, resulting in captivating ensembles. Kanika effortlessly pulls off traditional Indian wear with a twist, and her fusion outfits showcase a beautiful amalgamation of cultures. Be it pairing a classic sari with a trendy blouse or donning Indo-Western fusion wear, she effortlessly brings out the best of both worlds. Another notable aspect of Kanika Mann's fashion choices is her impeccable sense of color and print coordination. Whether it's vibrant hues or elegant pastels, she knows how to make a statement with her color choices. Kanika's love for prints and patterns is evident in her fashion choices. From bold florals to chic geometric designs, she confidently plays with prints that add a fun and youthful touch to her looks. Beyond her stunning style, the actress has also been an advocate for ethical and sustainable fashion. She promotes conscious consumerism and often supports brands with eco-friendly practices. Her commitment to eco-friendly fashion extends to her choices on and off the red carpet, demonstrating how fashion can be both glamorous and responsible. One thing that sets Kanika's fashion apart is her impeccable sense of accessorizing. She knows how to elevate any outfit with the right statement pieces. From bold necklaces and chunky bracelets to stylish belts and statement earrings, the actress' accessory game is always on point. These accessories add a touch of personality to her outfits, making them even more memorable. When it comes to street style, Kanika Mann's looks are effortlessly chic and relatable. She exudes a cool and laid-back vibe while remaining on trend. The actress' street style often includes comfortable denim, graphic tees, oversized jackets, and trendy sneakers, making her an inspiration for fashionistas who want to rock a casual yet fashionable look. Kanika Mann's appearances on the red carpet are nothing short of spectacular. She graces the events with grace and elegance, leaving a lasting impression in her glamorous ensembles. From exquisite designer gowns to tasteful accessories, Kanika's red carpet looks always make headlines. She knows how to dress to impress, capturing the attention of fashion critics and fans alike. The actress is often seen sporting long wavy hair, which adds a touch of elegance and femininity to her overall appearance. These loose waves can be styled for both casual and formal events, making them a go-to choice for many fashion-forward individuals. When she wants a more polished and sophisticated look, Kanika opts for sleek straight hair. This hairstyle exudes a sleek and modern vibe, allowing her to rock it with both casual and glamorous outfits. For a chic and trendy style, Kanika has been spotted with the half-up half-down hairdo. This look combines the best of both worlds, with some hair pulled back to keep it away from the face while leaving the rest down for a free-flowing, relaxed feel. For an easy and effortless look, she occasionally chooses ponytails or high buns. These styles are perfect for casual outings or active days, keeping her hair out of the way while maintaining a fashionable flair. Braided hairstyles are another favorite of Kanika Mann. Whether it's a simple side braid or an intricate fishtail braid, she knows how to incorporate braids into her looks to add an element of bohemian charm. On laid-back days or for a relaxed vibe, Kanika rocks top knots and messy buns with ease. These hairstyles are versatile and easy to achieve, making them ideal for a quick and stylish look. Kanika's makeup often starts with a flawless base. She prefers using lightweight and natural-looking foundation or BB cream to even out her skin tone while allowing her natural beauty to shine through. She pays attention to proper blending to achieve a seamless finish. A signature of the actress' makeup style is her radiant and dewy complexion. She highlights her cheekbones, brow bones, and the bridge of her nose to enhance her natural glow, giving her a fresh and youthful appearance. For the eyes, Kanika often opts for soft and subtle eyeshadow looks. Neutral tones, such as soft browns and taupes, are commonly used to add depth to her eyes. She may also accentuate her lashes with mascara to make her eyes pop. Well-defined eyebrows frame Kanika's face, and she pays attention to grooming and shaping them to suit her features. Her brows are typically softly filled in, enhancing their natural shape without appearing overly harsh. The actress often chooses natural and nude shades for her lips, complementing her soft and fresh makeup style. She may opt for lip gloss or lip balm to keep her lips hydrated and looking plump. Her contouring technique is usually subtle, enhancing her facial features without appearing heavy. She uses light contouring to define her cheekbones and create a sculpted look while maintaining a natural appearance. While her everyday makeup is more natural, for red carpet events and special occasions, she can glam it up with bolder eyeshadow or statement lip colors while still keeping the overall look elegant and classy. The actress looks stunning in saris, which are a quintessential Indian outfit. She often opts for a mix of traditional and contemporary saris, showcasing her versatility in choosing different drapes, fabrics, and embellishments. Anarkali suits are another favorite of Kanika's traditional wardrobe. These elegant, floor-length ensembles beautifully accentuate her silhouette, and she carries them with poise and sophistication. For special occasions and festive events, she has been spotted in beautifully crafted lehengas. Whether it's an elaborate wedding lehenga or a simpler festive one, she knows how to carry this traditional outfit with panache. Kanika occasionally opts for classic salwar suits, which offer a comfortable yet stylish look. She may choose from various styles, including straight-cut suits, patiala suits, or even contemporary adaptations of traditional designs. To add a modern touch to her traditional looks, the actress sometimes incorporates ethnic jackets. These jackets add a layer of sophistication and uniqueness to her outfits. She plays with different ways of draping her dupattas, giving her traditional outfits a distinct and personalized touch. To complete her traditional looks, the actress often pairs her outfits with exquisite ethnic jewelry, such as statement earrings, necklaces, bangles, and mang tikkas. Kanika often rocks monochrome outfits in various colors, showcasing her fashion-forward approach. She knows how to play with textures and cuts to make monochromatic looks interesting and dynamic. The actress embraces the trend of pairing crop tops with high-waisted skirts or pants, creating a flattering and stylish ensemble. Modern jumpsuits and rompers are go-to choices for Kanika. These one-piece outfits offer a contemporary and hassle-free look. She is not afraid to experiment with bold prints and patterns. Whether it's geometric designs, floral motifs, or abstract patterns, she effortlessly pulls off statement pieces. Well-tailored blazers, wide-legged pants, and structured dresses are staples in Kanika's modern wardrobe. She embraces contemporary tailoring to add a touch of sophistication to her outfits. The actress occasionally opts for off-shoulder or one-shoulder tops and dresses, embracing the trend of showing some skin while maintaining elegance. Kanika effortlessly incorporates athleisure wear into her fashion choices. She can be spotted in stylish athleisure sets and sporty accessories for a comfortable yet fashionable look. She knows how to elevate her modern looks with statement accessories. Whether it's chunky necklaces, oversized sunglasses, or unique handbags, she uses accessories to make her outfits stand out. The actress often rocks casual denim looks, including jeans, denim jackets, and chambray shirts. She knows how to style denim for a laid-back yet fashionable appearance. Midi and maxi dresses are staples in Kanika's wardrobe. She gracefully carries these feminine and versatile dresses for various occasions. Embracing a youthful and edgy style, Kanika occasionally opts for graphic tees that showcase her personality and interests. Stylish leather jackets are a go-to choice for Kanika to add an element of coolness and sophistication to her outfits. She knows how to effortlessly channel bohemian vibes with flowy skirts, fringe details, and layered accessories. Flirty skirts, such as aligned skirts or pleated skirts, add a touch of femininity and playfulness to Kanika's Western choices. Embracing modern silhouettes, she might have opted for culottes or wide-leg pants that offer comfort and style. She occasionally incorporates crop tops and bralettes into her Western outfits, showing off her confidence and fashion-forwardness. The actress effortlessly embraces athleisure wear, combining comfort and style with sporty outfits and trendy sneakers. Kanika Mann looks stunning in shararas and ghararas, which are traditional and flowy three-piece ensembles consisting of wide-legged pants paired with a long kurti and a dupatta. Palazzo suits are another favorite of Kanika's ethnic wardrobe. These comfortable and stylish outfits feature wide-legged trousers paired with a kurta and a dupatta. She often incorporates Indo-Western fusion wear into her ethnic choices. This style combines traditional Indian elements with modern cuts and designs, creating a unique and contemporary look. The actress exudes elegance in ethnic gowns, which are floor-length dresses with intricate embellishments and flattering silhouettes. She gracefully carries contemporary lehengas that showcase innovative designs, unique drapes, and trendy blouse styles, giving a modern twist to this traditional outfit. The actress might have embraced cape-style ethnic wear, where a cape is paired with a lehenga or an anarkali suit, adding drama and sophistication to the ensemble. She knows how to make traditional suits stand out by incorporating modern embellishments like sequins, mirrors, or bold prints. Kanika effortlessly rocks the denim-on-denim trend, pairing denim jeans or skirts with denim jackets or shirts for a chic and relaxed look. She embraces the timeless combination of graphic tees paired with jeans, adding a touch of personality and edge to her casual outfits. On cooler days, she might opt for cozy oversized sweaters paired with leggings or jeggings, creating a comfortable and stylish ensemble. The actress knows how to pull off athleisure wear with trendy matching sets, combining style and comfort with ease. Jumpsuits and rompers are go-to choices for Kanika on casual days, offering a quick and fashionable outfit option. She occasionally chooses t-shirt dresses, which are easy and effortless to wear while still looking put together. She pairs midi skirts with basic tees, creating a simple yet chic look that is perfect for casual outings. She often goes for casual shirts paired with trousers or chinos, striking a balance between comfort and style. Kanika Mann gracefully wears elegant and glamorous gowns that are tailored to perfection and often feature intricate embellishments or luxurious fabrics. She embraces dresses with beautiful embroidery work, adding a touch of artistry and elegance to her red carpet looks. She occasionally chooses dresses with high slits, adding a touch of drama and sensuality to her red carpet appearances. Kanika looks stunning in classic black ensembles, showcasing the timeless elegance of this color on the red carpet. To elevate her red carpet looks, she pairs her outfits with statement jewelry such as dazzling necklaces, chandelier earrings, or bold cuffs. The actress knows how to complement her red carpet attire with sophisticated hairstyles including elegant updos or soft waves. She often completes her red carpet looks with stylish clutch bags that add a touch of glamour and practicality to her outfit. Kanika often rocks casual tops, such as graphic tees, crop tops, or oversized sweaters, paired with stylish jeans for a laid-back yet fashionable look. She embraces athleisure wear for her street style, wearing trendy matching sets that combine comfort and style. Midi dresses and skirts are go-to choices for Kanika's street style, offering a versatile and feminine ensemble. To add a touch of coolness to her outfits, she pairs denim jackets with various outfits, often teaming them up with fashionable sneakers. Kanika occasionally incorporates bomber jackets into her street style, creating an edgy and urban look. She effortlessly pulls off casual jumpsuits and rompers, which are easy to wear and stylish for everyday outings. She might opt for flared pants, which add a retro and fashionable touch to her street style choices. To elevate her street style, she uses statement accessories such as oversized sunglasses, hats, or trendy handbags. Kanika often opts for traditional silk saris, such as Banarasi silk, Kanjivaram silk, or Mysore silk, which exude richness and heritage. She also embraces contemporary designer saris that feature innovative drapes, modern embellishments, and unique color combinations. The actress looks lovely in saris with floral prints, which add a touch of femininity and freshness to her look. She gracefully wears lightweight organza and chiffon saris, which offer a delicate and ethereal appearance. She often pairs her saris with contrasting blouses, creating a striking and stylish contrast between the sari and the blouse. She occasionally chooses saris with intricate embroidery work, which adds an element of artistry and elegance to her look. To complete her sari look, Kanika Mann pairs her saris with statement jewelry, such as statement necklaces, chandelier earrings, or bold bangles. She experiments with modern draping styles, giving a contemporary twist to the traditional sari. Kanika often opts for traditional lehengas with intricate embroidery work, showcasing the richness of Indian craftsmanship. She embraces contemporary designer lehengas that feature modern silhouettes, innovative drapes, and unique embellishments. The actress looks radiant in lehengas with vibrant and bold colors, making a statement with her outfit choices. She pairs her lehengas with mix and match blouses, experimenting with different necklines, sleeve lengths, and styles. Kanika occasionally chooses lehengas with floral prints or motifs, adding a touch of femininity and freshness to her look. To add a modern twist to her lehengas, she may opt for designs with high slits or sheer details, creating a contemporary and sophisticated appearance. She plays with various draping styles for her lehenga dupatta, creating unique and personalized looks. To complement her lehenga choices, the actress pairs her outfits with statement jewelry, such as heavy necklaces, jhumkas, or mang tikka. Kanika Mann often opts for a dewy and radiant complexion, using luminous foundation or BB cream to achieve a natural glow. For her eye makeup, she tends to favor soft and neutral eyeshadow shades, such as soft browns, taupes, and warm tones, which enhance her eye shape without being overly dramatic. Well-defined and groomed eyebrows frame Kanika's face, and she often enhances them with subtle brow products for a polished look. She occasionally adds a touch of eyeliner to accentuate her eyes, choosing between a soft wing or a tight line, depending on the occasion. The actress embraces her natural lashes or adds a coat of mascara to define them without making them look too voluminous or heavy. She adds a soft flush of blush to her cheeks, giving her a youthful and healthy appearance. Kanika often opts for nude or soft pink lip colors, complementing her overall natural and fresh makeup style. For special occasions and events, she may opt for a slightly bolder look with statement eyeshadow colors or a more defined lip. Kanika often embraces long loose waves, which add a touch of elegance and femininity to her overall appearance. She occasionally opts for sleek and straight hair, creating a polished and sophisticated look. For a red carpet or formal events, she might choose side-swept curls, adding a sense of glamour and grace to her hairstyle. The actress looks lovely in a half-up, half-down hairstyle, which offers a balance of elegance and casualness. She experiments with various braids and twists, incorporating them into her hairstyles to add a touch of creativity and uniqueness. For more casual and effortless looks, Kanika might opt for messy buns, creating a chic and relaxed appearance. She occasionally pulls her hair up into a high ponytail, which is a classic and versatile hairstyle for any occasion. She complements her hairstyles with stylish hair accessories, such as hairpins, headbands, or decorative clips. For red carpet events, Kanika Mann often dresses in glamorous and elegant gowns or designer ensembles, exuding sophistication and grace. During traditional events or festive occasions, she embraces ethnic wear, including saris, lehengas, or anarkalis, showcasing her connection to her Indian heritage. For casual outings and street-style looks, Kanika is seen in comfortable yet stylish outfits like casual tops, jeans, dresses, jumpsuits, and athleisure wear. During public appearances and media events, she usually dresses in chic and trendy outfits that make a fashion statement while still being appropriate for the occasion. For photo shoots and fashion shows, Kanika may wear a mix of contemporary and edgy outfits that reflect the latest fashion trends. When traveling, she may opt for comfortable and practical outfits, such as casual dresses, leggings, or layered looks. In her gym and workout sessions, the actress is often seen in stylish activewear, reflecting her interest in fitness and athleisure fashion. Kanika opts for comfortable and breathable clothing, such as loose-fitting tops, casual dresses, and lightweight fabrics to stay at ease during her travels. She often chooses denim jeans or leggings as they are versatile and easy to pair with different tops for a stylish and relaxed look. Layering is a key element in her travel wardrobe. She incorporates light jackets, cardigans, or scarves to adapt to varying weather conditions. She prefers comfortable footwear like sneakers or flats to ensure she can walk around comfortably during her journeys. She keeps her jewelry minimal during travel, opting for simple accessories that complement her outfits without being too cumbersome. The actress carries practical and travel-friendly bags like crossbody bags or backpacks to keep her essentials secure and accessible. She protects herself from the sun's rays with stylish sunglasses and hats, adding a touch of flair to her travel outfits. For long flights or train rides, Kanika might choose athleisure sets, providing comfort and style while en route to her destination. Kanika often chooses stylish dresses that suit the occasion, ranging from cocktail dresses to elegant midi or maxi dresses. She embraces tailored pantsuits for a powerful and polished look, exuding confidence and sophistication during public events. For public appearances, the actress may opt for contemporary Indian wear like fusion saris, dhoti pants with kurtas, or draped dresses, combining traditional elements with modern cuts. She complements her outfits with statement accessories like bold necklaces, elegant earrings, or eye-catching handbags, adding a touch of glamour to her appearance. Kanika often pairs her outfits with high heels, which elevate her overall look and enhance her posture during public events. She occasionally wears monochrome outfits in various colors, showcasing her flair for modern and chic style. She occasionally styles her hair in effortless updos or chic ponytails, creating an elegant and neat look. Kanika Mann embraces stylish activewear sets, including matching sports bras and leggings, that offer comfort and support during her workouts. She chooses activewear made from breathable and moisture-wicking fabrics, ensuring she stays cool and comfortable during intense exercises. The actress occasionally adds fun prints and vibrant colors to her gym outfits, making her stand out in the fitness crowd. She wears high-performance athletic shoes that provide the necessary support and cushioning for her workouts. Kanika may layer her gym outfits with light jackets or hoodies for her warm-up or cool-down routines. During her workouts, she might wear sweatbands or headbands to keep her hair away from her face and maintain a fresh look. For her gym essentials, she may carry a practical crossbody bag that allows her to keep her belongings close while keeping her hands free. She keeps her jewelry minimal during workouts, opting for simple and non-intrusive pieces to avoid any discomfort. The actress could be seen in trendy and chic fashion ensembles, reflecting her unique style and the latest fashion trends. The photo shoot might feature her in elegant ethnic wear like saris, lehengas, or salwar suits, showcasing her grace and beauty in traditional Indian outfits. She might be photographed in sophisticated and glamorous red carpet outfits, exuding elegance and poise. She could be captured in relaxed and casual outfits, portraying her laid-back and fashionable street style. The photo shoot would likely involve different makeup and hairstyle looks, showcasing her versatility in different beauty styles. Kanika Mann's talent as a model would shine through in her expressive poses, capturing different moods and emotions for each shot. The photo shoot might take place in a variety of settings, including outdoor locations or professional studios, to achieve different aesthetics. Kanika often shares photos of herself in trendy and chic outfits, reflecting her up-to-date knowledge of the latest fashion trends. Her social media posts might include snapshots of her casual and laid-back street style, featuring comfortable yet stylish outfits. The actress shares pictures of her elegant ethnic wear, such as saris, lehengas, and anarkalis, exhibiting her connection to her cultural heritage. She might collaborate with fashion brands and designers, showcasing their outfits and products on her social media accounts. Kanika occasionally shares fashion tips, styling ideas, and outfit inspirations with her followers, empowering them to experiment with their own looks. Her social media feed might give a glimpse into behind-the-scenes moments from photo shoots, fashion events, or fittings. She could share makeup and hairstyle tutorials, allowing her followers to learn and recreate her glamorous looks. She engages with her followers by responding to comments, answering fashion-related questions, and showing appreciation for their support. Kanika Mann often wore high heels for red carpet events and formal occasions, adding height and elegance to her overall look. She embraced strappy sandals, which are versatile and can be paired with both casual and dressy outfits. The actress occasionally opted for block heels, which offer both style and comfort for long events or evenings. For her casual and street-style looks, she wore trendy sneakers that added a touch of sportiness and modernity to her outfits. She wore classic pumps in neutral colors, which are timeless and versatile for various occasions. Kanika rocked ankle boots during cooler weather, pairing them with dresses, skirts, or skinny jeans for a chic and edgy look. For more relaxed and laid-back outings, she occasionally chose comfortable flats or sandals that provided both style and comfort. Kanika occasionally wore statement footwear like bold-colored shoes, embellished heels, or eye-catching designs to make a fashion statement. The actress often wore her hair in loose waves, creating a natural and effortless look that suited both casual and formal events. She occasionally opted for sleek straight hair, exuding sophistication and elegance, particularly for red carpet appearances. She looked charming in half-up half-down hairstyles, offering a balance of a playful and polished look. She embraced chic updos, including buns, top knots, or braided updos, adding a touch of refinement to her overall appearance. Kanika occasionally swept her hair to one side, achieving a romantic and glamorous look for special occasions. Kanika Mann often preferred a dewy and radiant complexion, highlighting her natural glow and creating a fresh appearance. She occasionally wore soft smoky eye makeup, giving a subtle and alluring depth to her eyes. She embraced well-defined and groomed eyebrows, framing her face and enhancing her eye makeup. She added a hint of rosy blush to her cheeks, providing a youthful and healthy flush of color to her makeup. Kanika occasionally opted for neutral lip colors, such as nude or soft pink shades, balancing her makeup and letting her eyes or outfit take the spotlight. For a more dramatic look, she sometimes sported winged eyeliner, accentuating her eyes and adding a touch of glamour. The actress embraced monochrome outfits, rocking head-to-toe looks in vibrant colors or classic neutrals, creating a sleek and chic appearance. She fearlessly combined different patterns and prints, showcasing her flair for eclectic and eye-catching outfits. Kanika occasionally incorporated sheer and mesh details into her outfits, adding a touch of sensuality and modernity to her looks. She wore crop tops with high-waisted pants, skirts, or shorts, achieving a trendy and flattering silhouette. She experimented with layering and mixed textures, creating visually appealing and fashionable outfits. She occasionally elevated her looks with statement jackets, such as sequined blazers or bold leather jackets, making a fashion statement. The actress added edgy accessories like studded belts, chunky boots, or statement handbags, giving her looks a touch of attitude and uniqueness. She wasn't afraid to embrace bold colors and neon hues, making a bold and vibrant statement with her fashion choices. We hope you enjoyed this fashion journey with Kanika Mann as much as we did. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.